everyone, it's Darby from rejoiceandcreate.com. Thanks for stopping by today. Well, I wanted to introduce a new series today, and this is going to be a 6-video series of 6x6 projects, and I'm calling it Not Your Ordinary 6x6 Paper Series, because when I sit down and play with 6x6 paper or any paper, sometimes some quirky things come out. For instance, you may be familiar with him. He came around Thanksgiving last year as a table favor, a way to put a few goodies at each table setting, or to have a place card, and he is made with a 6x6 inch paper. Now I'll go ahead and link this video for him if you want to see him, but today I was going to focus on these projects. So I have 6 different projects that came about when I was playing with some 6x6 papers, or that came about for a purpose that I was doing, and I wanted to showcase them because they're really kind of fun. And I know they're a little bit unique and quirky, and they may not be for everybody, but if you want something a little different, maybe this is the series for you. So sit back, and each day I'm going to follow this with a different project. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so our first project is this one. And a pocket, and you'll probably recognize it looks very similar to one of the diaper fold pockets. But if you do the traditional diaper fold, this is the size pocket that you get, which is perfect for a tea bag and a Ghirardelli. But if you want something a little bigger, maybe something that will fit an oatmeal cookie from Little Debbie, and a tea bag, perhaps for a ladies' luncheon or for a thank you gift, then maybe you want to fold it this way, and it goes very quickly. Alright, so let's move that over and we'll get our 6x6 paper. Now for each of these projects, I do want to show a Christmas version of them, as well as other versions that you can do, because really how you use the paper and how you decorate it can be for the occasion that you want it to be. This one is from the Yuletide Blessings. I've been using this paper pack a lot. It's a Christmas one that I got from Hobby Lobby. So we'll go ahead and start with a 6x6 inch piece of paper, and we do have to make a mark, or we have to do a little pinch, and I'll show you that. Whatever corner you want up, put that away from you and put the inside of the pocket down, and all you want to do is to mark, not mark from corner to corner, but put your ruler from corner to corner and just make a mark maybe a little bit less than halfway down where the center is, so you know where to fold your sides to. Alternatively, you can take it like this and just do the tiniest little pinch so you know where the center is, but if you don't want to have that pinch in the back, then just go ahead and mark it quickly. And this fold is a lot like the paper airplane fold that we used to do when we were kids, or even now I still admit doing paper airplanes. So go ahead and on the bottom corner, fold up the left corner to the center. That bottom left straight line, fold it up to that center line that we just got and burnish it. And then fold that bottom right side up to meet in the center and burnish it. Okay, now if your point is not exact, don't worry, we're going to hide that one. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that bottom point and we're going to fold it up, and we're going to extend it just about an inch beyond where this paper ends, and also right on the center line. Okay, burnish that too. And then the next thing is just to fold that top over right at the level and tuck it in. If it's easier, fold it out first right at that line. And then you have the fold in the paper that you can just kind of fold it over that way. Okay, now this is not one that will stay by itself like the other diaper fold pocket will stay. You do have to glue this one to hold it. So go ahead and open that back up. And I'm going to use liquid glue. You definitely want a strong glue so it doesn't pop open. And go ahead and put it right at the point too, because that's what's going to hold it over to the inside. Put that up. Fold that over. And I'm going to go ahead and put a block on it just to let it dry. I went ahead and cut out a wreath that said "The Lord has come" from the same paper pack on a different piece of paper. I used triple leaf punch, also from the same paper pack, a green that's in the paper pack, and I backed it on a 2-inch circle from Cherry Cobbler, which is a Stampin' Up! Cardstock color. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that on there. I popped it up onto foam dots already, and I'll put it on this way. Now, because this was a one-sided paper and the inside is white, I want to add a little bit more color to the inside of my pocket, so I just went ahead and stippled a white doily and a green, and let's go ahead and just add it to the inside, just for a little bit of extra color in there. And then let me tuck in my oatmeal cookies. And this time I'm going to tuck in a coffee single. So this one can have a cookies and coffee, and this one has a tea and cookies. And it ends up being a very cute pocket and a little bit bigger pocket than our normal 6x6 diaper fold. So if you want to use the same size paper but get a little bit more in your pocket, this may be a fold for you. And here's one more that I decorated for a birthday. Move these out of the way. And I put in it one of the York peppermint patties and a peppermint herbal tea for a friend who really likes peppermint. So I hope you enjoyed this first project for my Not Your Ordinary 6x6 paper series. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to be notified of new videos as I upload them. For more information on this project and others, please visit rejoiceandcreate.com. And as always, until we meet again, I hope your days are blessed. Bye!